Guys, so today I'm going to teach you what is continuity. Continuity is a function of f of x is said to be continuous of the number 0 if all the ff three continuous are satisfied. The requirements of continuity are: A, if f of c exists, and B, if the limit of f of x exists. C, if the limit of f of x equals f of c exists. For example, determine the given f of x equals 4x squared plus x minus 2, and the continuous at x equals 1. First, identify if the f of x exists. Then, turn it into limit, which is the letter b. The limit are 4x squared plus x minus 2, and the x is 1. Second, change the value of x into 1, which is going to be 1 squared plus 1 minus 2. Now, all you have to do is to get the value of this, which is the number 3. Which is the final answer is going to be number 3. Now, I'm going to give you another example. Determine if the function is f of x equals x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. Just the same process. Identify the x, which is 0, and change the value into 0 squared minus 9 over 0 minus 3, which is going to be 3, which is continuous. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to my channel.